Welcome, fellow travelers. Today we're taking a virtual journey to the stunning Krystal Grand Nuevo Vallarta, a luxurious beachfront paradise nestled in the heart of Mexico's Pacific coast. So grab your imaginary margaritas and let's dive into this slice of paradise. First things first, let's talk about where you'll be resting your head after a long day of sun, sand, and maybe a few too many tacos. The Krystal Grand Nuevo Vallarta offers a variety of room types to suit every traveler's needs. From cozy standard rooms to spacious suites, each accommodation is designed with comfort and style in mind. But here's where it gets interesting. They have swim-out rooms. Yes, you heard that right. Imagine waking up, stepping out onto your private terrace, and diving straight into a refreshing pool. It's like having your own personal oasis right outside your door. Talk about living the dream. Now, let's not forget about the views. Many rooms offer breathtaking vistas of either the sparkling Bahía de Banderas or the majestic Sierra Madre Mountains. It's like Mother Nature is putting on a show just for you. And don't worry, they haven't forgotten about the essentials. Each room comes equipped with all the modern amenities you'd expect from a five-star resort. Air conditioning, because let's face it, Mexican summers can be hot. Flat-screen TVs for those rare moments when you're not mesmerized by the ocean view, and minibars, because vacation calories don't count, right? Oh, and did I mention the private balconies? Perfect for sipping your morning coffee or evening cocktail while watching the sun paint the sky in hues of orange and pink. But let's be honest, we don't come to Mexico just to stay in our rooms, no matter how fabulous they are. So, let's talk about the culinary journey that awaits you at Krystal Grand Nuevo Vallarta. With 8 dining options to choose from, your taste buds are in for a treat. 2 of these restaurants offer stunning views of Banderas Bay, so you can feast your eyes while you feast on delicious cuisine. While the resort doesn't provide specific details about each restaurant, we can assume they offer a variety of international cuisines to cater to every palate. Imagine starting your day with a hearty Mexican breakfast, complete with freshly made tortillas and zesty salsas. For lunch, you might find yourself at a casual beachside grill, munching on crispy fish tacos while wiggling your toes in the sand. As the sun sets, perhaps you'll dress up for an elegant dinner at one of the fine dining restaurants, savoring gourmet dishes paired with exquisite wines. And let's not forget about the bars. Whether you're in the mood for a fruity cocktail by the pool, a sophisticated martini before dinner, or a nightcap under the stars, there's a spot for every mood and occasion. Now, let's dive into the pools. Literally. Krystal Grand Nuevo Vallarta boasts 3 heated pools, each offering a unique experience. There's an adults-only pool for those seeking a peaceful retreat, perfect for lounging with a good book and a cold drink. For families, there's a wading pool where little ones can splash and play to their heart's content. And of course, there's a main pool where everyone can come together for fun in the sun. While we don't have exact dimensions, we can imagine these pools are spacious enough to accommodate guests without feeling crowded. But wait, there's more. The resort is nestled right on a golden sand beach, offering breathtaking views of Bahía de Banderas. Picture yourself strolling along the shore, waves gently lapping at your feet as you watch the sun dip below the horizon. It's the kind of moment that makes you forget all about your inbox back home. And while we don't have specific details about water sports, it's safe to assume that a resort of this caliber offers a range of activities. Perhaps you'll try your hand at paddleboarding, go for a thrilling jet ski ride, or even take a sailing lesson. The possibilities are as endless as the ocean views. Now, let's talk about activities, because Krystal Grand Nuevo Vallarta is all about keeping you entertained. While we don't have a detailed list of their offerings, we can paint a picture of what you might expect at a resort of this caliber. There's likely a well-equipped fitness center for those who want to keep up with their workout routine, or work off those extra margaritas. Tennis enthusiasts might find courts where they can practice their serves under the Mexican sun. But let's be real, you're on vacation, so it's time to pamper yourself. The resort probably offers a range of spa treatments to help you unwind and rejuvenate. Imagine indulging in a beachside massage, the sound of waves adding to your relaxation as skilled hands work out all the tension in your muscles. Or perhaps you'll opt for a rejuvenating facial, using products infused with local ingredients to give your skin that vacation glow. For those seeking a bit of zen, there might be yoga classes offered on the beach. Picture yourself in warrior pose as the sun rises over the ocean. Now that's a Instagram-worthy moment. And let's not forget about cultural experiences. Many resorts offer activities like cooking classes, where you can learn to make authentic Mexican dishes, or maybe even Spanish lessons so you can order your tacos like a local. Speaking of locals, Krystal Grand Nuevo Vallarta is ideally situated for exploring the surrounding area. Just a short distance away is the charming colonial town of Puerto Vallarta. Stroll along its cobblestone streets, admire the beautiful architecture, and soak in the vibrant atmosphere. Art lovers will appreciate the numerous galleries showcasing works by local and international artists. And if you're a foodie, you're in for a treat. Puerto Vallarta is known for its fantastic culinary scene. For a more laid-back experience, head to the nearby town of Bucerías. This quaint fishing village offers a glimpse into traditional Mexican life. Browse the local markets, sample fresh seafood at beachfront restaurants, or simply relax on the uncrowded beaches. It's the perfect spot to escape the hustle and bustle and experience the slower pace of Mexican coastal life. Nature enthusiasts will be thrilled to know that the resort is surrounded by stunning natural beauty. The Sierra Madre Mountains provide a dramatic backdrop and offer opportunities for hiking and eco-tours. Imagine trekking through lush tropical forests, discovering hidden waterfalls, and spotting colorful wildlife. And let's not forget about the marine life. Banderas Bay is known for its whale-watching opportunities. Depending on the season, you might spot humpback whales breaching the surface or playful dolphins swimming alongside boats. Now, let's talk about the little travelers, because Krystal Grand Nuevo Vallarta has not forgotten about them. The resort offers two fantastic programs for kids and teens. First up is Camp Krystal, a haven for the younger set. While we don't have specific details, we can imagine it's filled with fun activities to keep the little ones entertained. Perhaps they'll enjoy arts and crafts sessions, themed parties, or even mini cooking classes where they can decorate their own cookies, and hopefully save one for mom and dad. For the older kids and teens, there's the Adventure Friends program. This is likely designed to cater to the interests of the more independent young travelers. Maybe they'll have video game tournaments, learn to DJ, or participate in beach volleyball matches. The goal is to ensure that while parents are relaxing by the pool with a cocktail, the kids are having so much fun they forget to ask for the Wi-Fi password. Family-friendly amenities probably extend beyond just the kids' clubs. There might be special menus in the restaurants catering to younger palates, or even family movie nights under the stars. And let's not forget about those family-sized rooms or suites, ensuring everyone has enough space to spread out and relax after a day of fun in the sun. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.